Unveiling the CH-7, China's 2023 drone innovation set to transform military reconnaissance. Introduction. The CH-7 drone developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation (CASC) marks a pivotal advancement in military drone technology set to redefine military reconnaissance and combat strategies. First unveiled at Airshow China in 2018, the CH-7 has undergone multiple iterations, with its most recent version showcased in November 2024. This stealthy flying-wing drone is tailored for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance ISR missions, while also possessing capabilities for strike operations as an uncrewed combat aerial vehicle (UCAV). Key features and capabilities. 1. Stealth characteristics. The CH-7 is designed with advanced stealth features, allowing it to operate in contested airspaces without detection by enemy radar. This capability is critical for conducting ISR missions deep within hostile territories. 2. Performance specifications. Cruising speed, capable of flying at Mach 0.5. Operational ceiling, can operate at altitudes of up to 16,000 meters. Endurance, the drone can sustain flight for up to 15 hours, providing extensive coverage for surveillance operations. 3. Design influences. The CH-7's design is reminiscent of the US RQ-180, a stealth drone speculated to exist but not publicly confirmed. Its configuration also draws parallels to the Northrop Grumman X-47B, emphasizing its focus on high-altitude, long-endurance missions. Operational integration. The CH-7 is intended to function as part of a manned-unmanned teaming strategy, where it provides real-time targeting data to bombers and other combat units. This integration reflects the People's Liberation Army (PLA's) broader strategy to enhance aerial combat capabilities through advanced unmanned systems. Chinese state media has highlighted the drone's role in supporting bombers by identifying high-value targets and supplying critical data, signaling a shift towards using drones as command and control nodes in aerial operations. Development timeline. Initial reveal. The CH-7 was first displayed as a mock-up in 2018, with flight tests expected to start in 2019 and production initially slated for 2022. Current status. Recent reports indicate that development is nearing completion in 2024, demonstrating China's rapid advancements in drone technology. Differences among sources. While various sources agree on the CH-7's stealth capabilities and intended operational roles, they differ in specific details about its specifications and development timeline. For instance, some sources emphasize the drone's potential as a command and control platform, whereas others focus more on its ISR capabilities and design modifications. Additionally, assessments of the CH-7's resemblance to U.S. drone technology vary, with some sources making clearer comparisons to specific models like the RQ-180. Conclusion. The CH-7 drone represents a significant leap in China's military drone capabilities, potentially reshaping air power dynamics in the region and beyond. Its integration into the PLA's operational framework could enhance China's reconnaissance and strike capabilities, positioning it competitively against established military powers such as the United States. As development progresses, the CH-7 may also enter the export market, presenting advanced capabilities not currently available from Western nations and thus expanding China's influence in global defense technology. Development and design insights. The development of the CH-7 has involved multiple iterations since its initial reveal, with the design being progressively refined. The first full-scale mock-up appeared at Airshow China 2018, showcasing a design similar to the Northrop Grumman X-47B, characterized by its cranked kite wing structure. Subsequent models have seen changes in wing design, dimensions and internal configurations, suggesting a continuous effort to enhance its stealth and operational effectiveness. Operational role and strategic impact. The strategic implications of the CH-7 are profound. As part of a larger shift towards incorporating unmanned systems into military operations, the CH-7 can serve as both a reconnaissance platform and a strike asset. Its ability to gather intelligence and relay data to manned aircraft could significantly enhance the effectiveness of aerial campaigns, allowing for more nuanced and responsive military operations. Global context and future prospects. The unveiling of the CH-7 comes amidst a broader trend of increasing military drone capabilities globally. While the US and its allies have maintained a technological edge in drone warfare, China's rapid advancements in this area could alter the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. The potential for the CH-7 to be offered on the international arms market adds another layer to its significance, as it could provide other nations with access to advanced drone technology that rivals existing Western offerings. In summary, the CH-7 not only exemplifies China's technological progress in military drones but also serves as a potential game-changer in modern warfare. Its capabilities and integration into the PLA's operational strategies highlight the evolving landscape of military technology and the increasing reliance on unmanned systems in combat scenarios. As development continues, the CH-7 stands to play a critical role in shaping future military engagements and the global defense market. Counterintuitive information in the content on CH-7 drone. 1. Stealth and detection. While the CH-7 drone is touted for its advanced stealth capabilities, allowing it to penetrate contested airspace undetected, a counterintuitive aspect arises from the assertion that even if it is detected and shot down, it can still transmit valuable intelligence back to command systems. This suggests that operational success might not solely depend on the drone's survivability but also on its data-gathering capabilities during missions, challenging conventional wisdom that prioritizes stealth and survival. 2. Development parallels with U.S. technology. The CH-7's design is often compared to U.S. drones, specifically the elusive RQ-180 and the X-47B. However, the counterintuitive element here is that the very acknowledgement of these comparisons, especially towards an unconfirmed U.S. platform RQ-180, raises questions about the implications of such design influences. It highlights a scenario where a nation develops a highly capable drone but bases its innovations on technology that remains under wraps, thereby creating a competitive landscape where speculation drives technological advancement. 3. Manned-unmanned teaming philosophy. The CH-7 is integrated into a broader strategy of manned-unmanned teaming, where it acts as a command and control node for other combat units. This approach might seem effective, yet it challenges the traditional military notion that manned units are the primary decision-makers in combat. Instead, the CH-7 could redefine command structures, suggesting that unmanned systems can play pivotal roles in operational decision-making, which may not align with historical paradigms of military hierarchy. 4. Export market potential. The CH-7 is positioned as a potential export product, which is intriguing given that the capabilities of this drone are set to exceed those currently available from Western nations. This counterintuitive aspect reveals a shift in global defense dynamics. A nation traditionally seen as a technology follower is now in a position to offer advanced military capabilities that could attract other countries, fundamentally altering perceptions of China's role in global military technology markets. 5. High-altitude operations versus ground impact. The CH-7 is designed for high-altitude operations with long endurance, focusing on ISR capabilities that allow it to gather intelligence from well above ground threats. It is counterintuitive to consider that a drone operating at such altitudes is potentially less effective at direct strike missions, which typically require lower-level engagement. This raises questions about the balance between intelligence gathering and direct action in modern warfare, suggesting that there might be a strategic preference for prolonged observation over immediate engagement. 6. Chinese military doctrine versus Western practices. The narrative that the CH-7 represents a departure from traditional military practices, particularly its emphasis on using drones as command and control platforms, contrasts sharply with Western military doctrines that often prioritize piloted aircraft for such roles. This raises a counterintuitive point regarding the effectiveness of unmanned systems in leadership roles during combat, possibly indicating a shift in how military operations could be conceptualized in the future. 7. Technological development timelines. the CH-7 was initially projected to begin flight testing in 2019 with production expected by 2022, however reports indicate that development is just nearing completion in 2024. This deviation from the anticipated timeline suggests a complex development process that challenges the perception of China's rapid technological advancement. It implies that the journey of developing advanced military technology is fraught with challenges, reflecting that even nations perceived as fast-track innovators face significant hurdles. 8. Global perception and realities of defense technology. While the CH-7 is framed as revolutionary in military reconnaissance and potential strike capabilities, the reality of its operational integration into the PLA remains speculative. This dichotomy between perception and reality underscores the complexity of defense technology advancement. Although the narrative presents the CH-7 as a game-changer, its actual impact on the battlefield and its effectiveness compared to established Western technologies may be less clear. In summary, the CH-7 drone encapsulates a range of counterintuitive information that challenges traditional military assumptions about stealth technology development, operational integration, and the nature of modern warfare. The evolving landscape of drone technology highlights a shift in military strategy and global defense dynamics in ways that may not align with conventional expectations. The CH-7 drone represents a pivotal advance in military drone technology. And while much of the discussion surrounding it focuses on its stealth capabilities and potential roles within the People's Liberation Army (PLA), several significant aspects may be overlooked. Here are the key points that warrant deeper exploration. 1. Integration into command and control systems. One of the most crucial aspects of the CH-7 is its potential role as a command and control C2 platform within a broader manned-unmanned teaming strategy. While many reports emphasize the drone's ISR capabilities, the significance of its integration with bombers and other combat units is often understated. The ability of the CH-7 to relay real-time targeting data to manned platforms could redefine operational strategies, making it a force multiplier in combat scenarios. This integration suggests a shift in military doctrine and operational planning, moving towards a more network-centric warfare approach, where drones serve not just as tools for surveillance but as vital components of a cohesive combat system. 2. Evolution of design and capabilities. The CH-7 has undergone several iterations since its introduction, with each version reflecting advancements in technology and design. The variations in specifications such as wingspan and internal configurations highlight China's rapid development capabilities in drone technology. The potential shift from a stealthy ISR platform to a multi-role combat drone illustrates a broader trend in military aviation, where drones are increasingly seen as versatile assets capable of performing a range of missions, an aspect that may be overshadowed by discussions of its stealth characteristics. 3. Geopolitical implications of drone exports. As China continues to develop the CH-7, its potential export to other nations could significantly alter the global defense landscape. Many reports touch on the possibility of CH-7 entering the international arms market. Yet the implications of this are profound. The CH-7 could provide nations with advanced drone capabilities that are not currently available from Western countries, especially given the stringent export controls imposed by the United States on military technologies. This could lead to a shift in the balance of power in various regions, particularly in areas where nations seek to enhance their military capabilities without relying on Western technology. For operational flexibility and strategic reach, the CH-7's design allows for high-altitude operations, making it suitable for missions over heavily defended areas. This capability is significant because it enables reconnaissance and strike missions deep into enemy territory while minimizing the risk of detection and engagement. The drone's endurance of up to 15 hours further enhances its operational flexibility, allowing it to conduct prolonged surveillance or strike missions without the need for immediate refueling or recovery. This endurance is particularly valuable in scenarios where time-sensitive intelligence is critical, yet it is often overshadowed by discussions of its stealth features. 5. Comparison with U.S. technologies. the comparisons made between the CH-7 and various U.S. drones such as the RQ-180 and the X-47B are frequently noted. However, the significance of these comparisons should not be underestimated. They not only reflect China's aspirations to match or exceed U.S. technology but also indicate the potential for a technological arms race in drone capabilities. The nuances in these comparisons, whether the CH-7 truly rivals these U.S. platforms or if it represents a unique solution to China's operational requirements, highlight the ongoing evolution of military technology and strategies. 6. Impact on regional security dynamics. The introduction of the CH-7 could have significant implications for regional security dynamics, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. As China enhances its military capabilities with advanced drones, neighboring countries may feel compelled to respond by bolstering their own defense systems, potentially leading to an arms race. This dynamic is often overlooked in discussions of the CH-7. Yet it is critical for understanding how advancements in drone technology can affect security relationships and power balances in the region. 7. Operational doctrine and military culture. The development and deployment of the CH-7 may also signal a shift in the PLA's operational doctrine and military culture. The emphasis on unmanned systems reflects broader trends in modern warfare where technology plays an increasingly central role. Understanding how the CH-7 fits into this evolving military culture can provide insights into future PLA strategies and the potential for further advancements in drone technology. In conclusion, while the CH-7 drone's stealth capabilities and ISR roles are often the focal points of discussion, the broader implications of its integration into military operations, potential for export, strategic reach, and influence on regional dynamics are equally significant. These factors will play a crucial role in shaping not only China's military strategy but also the global landscape of unmanned aerial warfare. Understanding these nuances will be essential for policymakers, military analysts, and strategic planners as they navigate the complexities of modern military technology and its implications for international security. 1. Advanced stealth capabilities. The CH-7 drone is designed with advanced stealth characteristics, allowing it to operate effectively in contested airspaces without detection by enemy radar. Its design is influenced by existing U.S. stealth technologies, particularly the rumored RQ-180 and the X-47B. This stealth capability is crucial for military reconnaissance and strike missions, as it enables the drone to gather intelligence and identify high-value targets while minimizing the risk of interception. 2. Operational integration and manned-unmanned teaming. The CH-7 is intended to function as part of a manned-unmanned teaming strategy where it provides real-time targeting data to both bombers and other combat units. This reflects a significant shift in military strategy, emphasizing the role of drones not just as surveillance tools but as integral components of combat operations. By supporting bombers and acting as command and control nodes, the CH-7 enhances the overall effectiveness of the People's Liberation Army (PLA) in aerial warfare. 3. Development and evolution timeline. The CH-7 has undergone a rigorous development process since its initial unveiling in 2018. While there were delays in flight testing and production, the drone's design has evolved significantly over time, showcasing China's rapid advancements in drone technology. The latest iteration of the CH-7 highlights improvements in size, endurance, and stealth capabilities, emphasizing the ongoing commitment to refining its operational effectiveness. For geopolitical implications and export potential, the CH-7's capabilities position China competitively against established military powers like the United States, potentially reshaping air power dynamics in the region. The drone's advanced features and potential for export could enhance China's influence in the global defense technology market, particularly given the limitations faced by Western nations in offering similar technologies. This aspect raises critical questions regarding future military engagements and the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region as China continues to assert its technological advancements in military drone capabilities. 1. The U.S. RQ-170 Sentinel drone. The RQ-170 Sentinel, developed by Lockheed Martin, is a stealth unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) used by the United States Air Force primarily for reconnaissance missions. First flying in 2007, the RQ-170 gained significant attention after it was reportedly involved in the surveillance of Osama bin Laden's compound in Pakistan before the Navy SEAL operation to kill him in 2011. The drone's stealth features allow it to operate in hostile environments while evading radar detection, similar to the CH-7's intended capabilities. The RQ-170 was also notable for its involvement in various international conflicts, showcasing the increasing reliance on drones for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR missions. 2. The Soviet Union's Tu-95 Bear. The Tu-95 Bear is a strategic bomber developed by the Soviet Union, which first flew in 1952 and remains in service today in some countries. While primarily a manned aircraft, the Tu-95's design and capabilities have influenced the development of unmanned systems. Its ability to penetrate enemy airspace and deliver precision strikes mirrors the CH-7's goals of conducting reconnaissance and strike missions. The Tu-95's long-range and strategic role in Cold War-era military doctrine highlight the importance of aircraft designed for deep penetration of enemy territory, a concept that is echoed in the CH-7's design and operational philosophy. 3. The Northrop Grumman X-47B. The X-47B is an experimental unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy. Unveiled in 2011, it represents significant advancements in stealth technology and autonomous flight operations. The X-47B was designed to operate from aircraft carriers and is capable of conducting aerial refueling, surveillance, and strike missions. Its flying wing design and stealth characteristics are similar to those of the CH-7, illustrating the shared emphasis on low observability and high-altitude capabilities in modern drone technology. The X-47B's successful tests paved the way for future unmanned systems in naval operations, influencing global military drone development strategies. The CH-7 drone, developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation (CASC), is set to significantly reshape military reconnaissance and combat operations. As technological advancements in drone warfare continue, the CH-7 stands out due to its stealth capabilities, long endurance, and potential for integration within the People's Liberation Army (PLA) framework. Here we will explore the future outlook of the CH-7 drone and its implications for military strategy, global air power dynamics, and the arms market. Technological advancements and operational roles. The CH-7 is being developed as a cutting-edge uncrewed combat aerial vehicle (UCAV) with advanced stealth features, allowing it to operate effectively in contested environments. With a cruising speed of Mach 0.5, an operational ceiling of 16,000 meters, and an endurance of up to 15 hours, the CH-7 is designed to penetrate deep into enemy territory for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and strike missions. Its design is reminiscent of the US RQ-180 and Northrop Grumman X-47B, incorporating lessons learned from these existing platforms. In the future, we can anticipate that the CH-7 will play a pivotal role in manned-unmanned teaming strategies, enhancing situational awareness and providing real-time targeting data to manned bombers and other combat units. This integration will likely bolster China's ability to conduct high-stakes reconnaissance and precision strikes, making the CH-7 an essential asset in the PLA's arsenal. Strategic implications for military operations. The deployment of the CH-7 drone is likely to influence the strategic landscape of aerial warfare in the Asia-Pacific region. Its ability to operate undetected in high-threat environments could challenge the air superiority of established military powers, particularly the United States. As the PLA embraces drone technology, we may witness a shift in combat tactics, emphasizing the use of UCAVs for deep penetration missions and electronic warfare. Moreover, the CH-7 could serve as a command and control node, coordinating attacks from various platforms and enhancing the PLA's overall operational capabilities. This evolution will likely push other nations to adapt their military strategies and invest in counter-drone technologies to mitigate the advantages presented by the CH-7. Global arms market dynamics. As China continues to develop its military drone capabilities, the CH-7 may emerge as a competitive product in the global arms market. With Western nations, particularly the United States, facing restrictions on the export of advanced military technologies, China has the opportunity to position the CH-7 as a viable alternative for countries seeking sophisticated ISR and strike capabilities. This could expand China's influence in global defense technology and allow it to forge new military partnerships. Notably, the CH-7's unique capabilities, particularly its stealth and multi-role functionalities, may attract interest from nations looking to bolster their military capabilities without relying on Western suppliers. This potential for export could further enhance China's position in global military dynamics and challenge the existing arms trade landscape. Future development and evolution. In the coming years, the CH-7 will likely undergo continuous development to refine its capabilities and address any emerging threats or technological advancements. The PLA may focus on enhancing its electronic warfare capabilities, allowing the CH-7 to disrupt enemy communications and radar systems while gathering critical intelligence. Additionally, as the drone technology landscape evolves, we may see the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning algorithms into the CH-7, enabling it to operate more autonomously and make real-time decisions based on battlefield conditions. This shift toward AI-driven operations could further enhance the effectiveness of the CH-7 in complex combat scenarios. Conclusion. The CH-7 drone represents a significant leap forward in military drone technology and is poised to transform the way military operations are conducted. Its advanced capabilities, combined with China's strategic focus on unmanned systems, will likely alter the air power dynamics in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. As development progresses and the CH-7 potentially enters the global arms market, its implications for military strategy, operational effectiveness, and international defense partnerships will be profound. The future of military reconnaissance and combat may be increasingly defined by sophisticated stealthy UAVs like the CH-7, reshaping the landscape of warfare in the years to come.